for the ones who are involved in the event today, can I please ask you to mute yourselves and mute your video so that we can have a wonderful event. Aishwarya and Brian, over to you.
Good afternoon. My co-host Brian and I warmly welcome you all to celebrate the special occasion of Teachers' Day. We would firstly like to thank all the teachers for gracing this event with their presence, and everyone else, of course. Well, you know it's quarantine and there's not much we can do, but the fact that we're all on this video call together proves that we may be far at distance, but always close to our teacher's heart. They help us see the light, and their guidance always holds on to us.
I agree with you, Aishwarya. I mean, all things considered, teaching on video call, that's like being in deep waters. Yet our gurus put in relentless efforts to shape our future, to bring out the best versions of ourselves. Well, that kind of love and dedication deserves so much than just one day on the calendar. Having said that, our students, along with Ma'am Annabelle, the one who strings us all together, have planned a small fiesta. So let's get started. All right, so as a Don Bosco tradition, we commence the event with a heartfelt video.
Well, that was lovely. Now, we have Kingston from the second year who has curated lovely pictures and taglines for our faculty. So let's watch that.
This song is for those who inspire us today, who always lend a helping hand to help show us the way. This song is for those who see their students through the tough times in their lives. For that we say thank you. You have made a difference. You have shaped our minds. You have changed the world, one child at a time. You have always stepped in to wipe the tears from the children's eyes. For those who gave us a safe place to grow, a place for us to call our home. Forever we will know that you have made a difference. You have shaped our minds. You have changed the world, one child at a time. You have always been there in everything you do. I hope that you're as proud of me as I am proud of you. This song is for those who taught us right from wrong, who taught us much more than their craft to help our minds grow strong. This song is for those who guide us through and through, so that we can make a life without we say thank you. You have made a difference. You have shaped our minds. You have changed the world, one child at a time. You have always been there in everything you do. I hope that you're as proud of me as I am proud of you. As I look back on my life and to the path within my reach, I hope I can change the life of those that I teach. I can make a difference. All I do is try to see a different world through the children's eyes. And I will always be there in everything I do. I hope that you're as proud of me as I am proud of you. And I will always be there in everything I do. I hope that you're as proud of me as I am proud of you.
Thank you, Kingston. That was fantastic. But we're not over yet. So now we have Nashon from the third year, yet not so third year, along with the second year Jordan, to take us down the memory lane.
Thank you for the world that awakes in the dawning light that breaks, and for the sunlight kissing my face. Thank you. And for the stars out on parade at the ending of each day, so even in the dark I'm saying thank you. When I look at the world around me and breathe in the breath you gave, every beat of my heart is saying thank you for everything. If you lead me to still waters, if I'm caught in a hurricane, wherever you lead I'm saying thank you for everything. Thank you for the gift of friends who know everywhere I've been and loved me back home again. Thank you. And for the ones who let me down and taught me what I know now of forgiveness and the freedom I found. Thank you. Yeah. When I look at the world around me and breathe in the breath you gave, every beat of my heart is saying thank you for everything. If you lead me to still waters, if I'm caught in the hurricane, wherever you lead I'm saying thank you for everything.
That was heartwarming. So now we'll be moving on to the gratitude speeches. So we'll be proceeding department wise. So to start off with the piquant and sweet department, food production, we have our lovely SYs, that is Rachel on Susan ma'am and Meher ma'am, Lisa on Mel chef and Prasad chef, and Advait on Sana ma'am and Glenn chef. Could I please request Rachel?
Good afternoon, everyone. We are grateful for all the professors who are a part of the DBCHS family. Their unending love and support always encourages us to work harder every day. As we all know, Susan ma'am has been a part of the DBCHS family since its very beginning. Her loyalty and concern to this institution and to its people is just wonderful. Whether it is to put on a smile and ask for a half day, or to bombard her with questions and doubts, ma'am is ever ready to sit down and explain it all. Thank you, Susan ma'am, for all that you've done for us and for taking care of us as your very own. On the other hand, we have Meher ma'am, who has been a part of the DBCHS family for almost a year now. She has a ton of experience and knowledge, and that has taught us so many things. We all know Meher ma'am loves her class discipline as much as she loves giving assignments. However, her explanation and precise details have given us so much knowledge. Thank you, Meher ma'am, for sharing your time and expertise with us. To both Susan and Meher ma'am, we're grateful for all the hard work you've done. Even in the situation we are all in, you have never stopped or taken a step back. We will forever be indebted to you, and one thank you will never be enough. Now I ask Lisa to take over.
So good afternoon, everyone. So a teacher is a backbone of our society, and I salute my teachers who have helped me, guided me, and grow and helped me to build up my career. So today I will be talking about two very special people, that is Melroy Chef and Prasad Chef. Two very different individuals, but both unique in their own beautiful way. So when I first joined this college, we had an orientation program, and I remember Elenka ma'am had given a small introduction about each faculty. After spending 1 year in this institute, I have truly known their importance and what they mean to me. Chef Melroy and Chef Prasad's guidance has really helped us and inspired all of us. I remember when I had first come into this college, there were some students who had zero interest in food production, but with their support and their devotion, they were able to create the dishes they never would have imagined they would have ever made. So we should always remember our teachers, not only on this day, but also on the future days to come. They are the ones who inspire us and lay the foundation of our future lives. Our teachers are like potters. They mold us into a different person. Thank you. I would like to, I would be handling over to Advait now.
Good afternoon, one and all. Firstly, I would like to wish everyone a happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers and the non-teaching staff. Talking about Glenn Chef. Glenn Chef, we know him as a soft-spoken and a kind-hearted man. He is a man of focus and a sheer will. He has been teaching in the Don Boscos from the past 9 years. He is an expert in his baking skills. He makes practicals interesting by passing some funny jokes. He goes out of his way to teach us, may it be baking a cake or a bread. He is always ready to impress us all with his incredible baking skills. Coming to Sana ma'am. Sana ma'am is at Don Bosco's from the past 7 years. She is a kind lady with amazing skills. She is marvelous at Indian cuisine. She tries really hard to imbibe in us the knowledge and culture of our country while teaching us the Indian dishes. She guides us during our events as well. No matter how busy she is, Sana ma'am is always there to help us. Thank you, Glenn Chef and Sana ma'am, for being there with us, and wish you a happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, SYs, for those loving and sweet words. And now to lift up the spirits higher, we have the F&B department. And Jordan from the third year will express his gratitude towards our godfather in the bar, Andre sir. Ernest will take over for Nixon sir, and Inacio towards Sanjeet sir. Over to you, Jordan.
So anytime you walk around college and look around, you will invariably see Andre sir smiling. Well, that's the kind of person he is. He's always smiling. There's never a dull moment when you're with Andre sir. He's always on the button, both with his work and with his jokes. Despite making several mistakes, Andre sir was ever encouraging and has emboldened me into a better person. He's always there for you whenever you need him, be it with academic problems or personal. I remember the time Andre sir would talk to me from the hospital to give me his words of wisdom and advice. And that is how much he can care about you. Not only is he a true teacher and a mentor like no other, but he's also a friend. And obviously, there aren't many who can challenge his knowledge. I'm grateful to having Andre sir as my teacher, whose kindness will always make you feel welcomed and comfortable. I'd now like to hand over to Ernest.
Good afternoon, one and all, and a happy Teachers' Day to everyone. Let's assume we all need a professor who is chivalrous with a manly yet calming voice, with an inconceivable intonation, who carries himself extremely well, but will also help you carry yourself and forge ahead in times of tribulations. A professor that has got enigmatic yet a wonderful style of dressing, just like he would when it comes down to lectures. A man that comes in with tremendous experience and knowledge and wears his heart on his sleeves when it comes down to his students. I think we are all quite lucky enough to get a professor like Nixon sir, and I genuinely consider myself lucky enough to experience this in these 3 years. With all the tough love that Don Bosco College of Hospitality Studies has to offer, I think Nixon sir is the best where they have ever expiated. Thank you. Over on to Inacio.
When we truly enter the world of beverages in our second year, we at Don Bosco are very grateful that we have such a wonderful and experienced F&B faculty. And certainly, Mr. Sanjeet is one of the best. From being well organized to superb at time management, he not only teaches us F&B but also accounts and law altogether. He's not only an encyclopedia of knowledge but also sarcastic, witty, technological, and very, very focused. He teaches us how to balance our professional and personal life in the simplest ways possible. Thanking all the faculty at Don Bosco, a very happy Teachers' Day, and also thanking you all for all the lessons you've taught us and all the experiences you've shared. And just a warning for you FYs, never wear Bermuda shorts and appear in front of Sanjeet sir, or else he'll taunt you your entire life. Thank you.
Thank you, Inacio, and thank you, Ernest and Jordan as well. So next up is the department that's the backbone. Yes, I'm talking about RDM. So can I please have Nia to express her gratitude towards Roma ma'am, Nishma on Sampada ma'am, about Lavina ma'am. Over to Nia.
Good afternoon, one and all. I'm glad I have the opportunity to express my gratitude towards one I admire the most. Not only because she is my mentor, but also because the wonderful person she is. She's always been by our side whenever we committed mistakes or faced troubles, be it in our events, in class, or generally. She's our guiding force and a strong pillar indeed who brings so much enthusiasm, charm, and professionalism to the table at the same time. She has these two personalities, one being strict and professional as possible in college, and the other being a carefree and chilled adult out of the college. She also is a foodie and likes to explore new places and dishes. Thank you, Roma ma'am, for being the wonderful teacher you are and always guiding us, especially when BT-wise have been getting on your nerves lately. Wishing you and every staff at DBCHS a very happy Teachers' Day. Now, I would like to hand it over to Nishma.
Imagine a world without teachers. It sounds funny, but trust me, it will be chaotic. After all, teachers are people who shape an individual's character and are remembered by them for the rest of their lives. Given everything that a teacher does for her students, finding the right words to thank them is quite a task. Personally, I think a day is not enough. I've picked up a lot of qualities from my teachers, but the only quality that has touched my heart is kindness, which I've picked from our very own Sampada ma'am. In the beginning, most of us had a difficult time coping up with your subject as it was something completely new for us. But with your guidance and constant motivation, it became quite easy. Our journey with you so far has been amazing, and I think the next 2 years will be an enduring experience for all of us. You have treated each and every student like your own child and also put up with everyone's tantrums and excuses when it comes to submissions of assignment and journal. The most beautiful thing about you is every time you enter the class, there's a big smile on your face, which exudes loads of positive energy and brightens everyone's mood. And lastly, I'd like to say something on behalf of everyone, and I'm sure they'll agree with me on this. Thank you for being so patient throughout this year and putting up with all our mischief. It means a lot to us. We all wish you the very best. Thank you. Over to you, Alicia.
She began as a newcomer and became a legend for us. In between, what counts is her determination. Dear Levina ma'am, your best efforts for us has always reflected your loving and caring nature. She is a combination of honesty, discipline, energy, enthusiasm, and an inspiration for all the students. A true friend who always guides us students and imparts true values in us. We thank you, ma'am, for enriching our knowledge, and we'll always be grateful to you for your support and kindness. Thank you, ma'am, for your dedication and patience to help the students grow. And I truly appreciate your hard work that keeps motivating the students. Thank you, and happy Teachers' Day.
Thank you all for those lovely and true words. So now we're going to talk about the teacher who deals with a new subject each semester. I think we all know who we're talking about. So can I please ask Bradley to come up and talk about Alenka ma'am?
Okay, as Alenka ma'am knows that I can yap all day, so I'll try to keep it short. As a teacher, ma'am, you're a mix of both, a little sweet, a little funny, but all in all, you are what a perfect teacher should be. You are this all-in-one package of someone who's just not a teacher, but a friend, a mentor, a guide, and an advisor too. Oh, not to forget, an amazing dancer during our jam sessions. And yes, we are lucky to have you, ma'am. You are this ray of light who untangles our tangled roads and help us move towards the light. Thank you for being a teacher who gives more to her students rather than just homework to take home and making those lessons just words in her book. Honestly, to tell you, ma'am, we are really inspired by you, and you are respected. You always made us think outside the box, especially during the Trinity classes. Other than Annabelle ma'am's voice, you're the only teacher whose voice you can hear roaring through the hallways. And yes, even the times when your class makes you so mad and you want to swear so bad, but you can't because you're a teacher. We all have witnessed that those events, during the event times, you're like a genie. Okay, from the time you enter through the college gates, okay, till when you set your feet on the stage, in a snap of a finger, you're like a diva, a 10 on 10. Ma'am, just keep this going. Okay, thank you for all. And for the rest of the teachers, happy Teachers' Day. Over to you.
Thank you, Bradley. I couldn't agree more. You were true to the T. So moving on to the teacher processing and monitoring our computer skills, Janisha ma'am, you truly inspire us. Your patience and the ease with which you teach us is commendable. There is so much to you, even as a person, and so much to learn from you each day. We are so lucky to have a teacher like you. Truly, thank you so much, ma'am. Now, moving on to the ever helpful and fabulous webinar team, I'd request Rahul from the second year to express his gratitude.
Good afternoon, one and all. A doctor can conduct a heart surgery and save a life, but the teacher can touch a heart and shape a mind. And at college, from chefs and professors to webinar planners, our professors have done it all. We would like to thank Chef Susan, Chef Prasad, and Ma'am Roma for planning and organizing the webinars hosted by Don Bosco Hospitality Studies every week. Our very own Andre Sir for coming up with the catchy titles, and Chef Melroy for making the webinars possible, and also guiding Justin and myself to make sure the webinars run without a hiccup. So on behalf of Justin and myself, wishing you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Thank you. So before we move on, could I please request Alicia and Kunal from the second year to present the PPT that they have to share with us the goodies that they sent out to the staff as a token of affection and appreciation.
Good afternoon, everyone. Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. We are thankful to Chef Franco, the ex-student of Don Bosco, who has provided such delicious cakes for the faculty members.
You inspire us to reach our goals and achieve our dreams, and more importantly, you inspire us to be you.
You accepted the challenge to teach and accepted the challenge, and we accept the challenge to learn.
The greatest teacher never taught only the syllabus.
You are my mind and education rock star.
You deserve extra marks for being a great human first.
You gave us all the reasons to dream big and all the resources to achieve it. You are a blessing to our lives.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kunal and Alicia. That was really heartwarming. So continuing with our gratitude speech, now we'll talk about the admin office, our pillar of strength. So Kunal from SY here is to share a few words.
Thank you, Ashwarya. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kunal Tangal, and I would like to start by saying that I'm very grateful to be given this opportunity to appreciate the great efforts of our teachers, particularly Jasmine ma'am and Jerry sir, the two of the most important pillars of our college administration. Jasmine ma'am and Jerry sir have always been there for you when you need them the most, from lending blades when you forgot to shave, which one should not, to aiding cuts when we try to prove that we are pros with handling a knife. They have always been there for you. When all seems lost, and by lost I mean our locker keys, Jerry sir has always been there by your side, but of course with a spectrum fee. And Jasmine ma'am, who has constantly managed with providing us with our identities, with our uniforms, we cannot express our enough gratitude for the same. Handling finance is always a tedious job, but you guys make it through effortlessly throughout the year. Whenever I stumble upon a rock, Jasmine ma'am has always helped me getting past through it. And what to say about Jerry sir? Even if it's a really tough day, I see Jerry sir smiling, keeping his calm, exchanging greetings with everyone. It just brightens up your day. You both fulfill our needs and help us grow. And trust me when I say this, we are where we are because of you. And I am grateful to both of you for the passion, the dedication, and all the hard work. I believe teachers deserve more than just our gratitude. They deserve our full support. And yes, they absolutely have it. By not taking much of everyone's time, I would like to finish by simply saying I'm really, really thankful to you. Happy Teachers Day. Cheers. Thank you. Over to Brian.
All right. Thank you, Kunal, for those words. And now I am supposed to be speaking about the support staff. But before I begin, can we all please have a moment of silence in memory of our dear friend and colleague Fakhruddin, who left us during this lockdown? May his soul rest in peace, and Fakhru, you'll always be in our hearts and our memories. Okay, so as the name suggests, support. They are nothing but a strong pillar of DBCHS. May it be a normal college day, an event day, or even Spectrum for that matter. They are the first to begin the day and the last to leave campus. So beginning with Vinod Mama, that's what we all call him out of love. And there are other names. I'm not allowed to take it here, but Vinod is aware of it. But thank you, Vinod, for all your support. May it be rushing to the university for our paperwork or to the market to get missing ingredients for practicals and trials. He has always been first foot forward. Next up, Ravi Dada and Velankini Maushi. So if you walk into the college corridor or classroom in the morning and you find it clean and tidy, ready for you for your lectures, these are the people you need to thank. Thank you both for keeping our surrounding clean and pleasant all the time. And yes, if you don't get to go to the loo and copy during exams, blame these guys. They come with you to make sure you're only doing what you're supposed to do there. Next up, the kitchen staff, the kitchen attendants. That is Ahilya Maushi, Renuka Maushi, and Damyanti Maushi. All you chefs, apart from the punished students, if you find the kitchens clean and ready and organized for your kitchen practicals, these are the beautiful people to thank for. And not only that, they are so helpful that I also remember at times when I was sick during practicals, they have offered me tea, coffee, and nimbu pani. So thank you everyone, and thank you Maushis for everything that you do for us. Last but not the least, our acting principal, Rajaram Bhau. Current students might know this, but for the freshers, when you people get to college, after Annabelle ma'am, get worried about this gentleman, the most difficult person to find in college. His cabin is just 2 doors, sorry, my bad. His cabin is 2 doors after Ma'am Annabelle. Yes, that's right, the stores. And this guy rules that place. But apart from that, he's a lovely soul and always willing to help whenever you need him. Thank you, Raju, for everything that you do. In conclusion, thank you to the support staff, and we appreciate and respect everything you do for us. Sagra Sati Dhanyavad. All right, so after this, we move on to the video Living in the Moment. All right, that was really heartwarming. And now, calling upon to the support and the string that ties us all together, empowers and lifts us up. The lady, the boss lady, Ma'am Annabelle, request you to please express your thoughts.
I guess I was on mute. Okay. Thank you, Brian, and thank you, Ashwarya. On behalf of Father Colbert and the entire DBCL campus, I would like to wish each and every faculty a very happy Teachers' Day. Today, on behalf of not just the students, but the ex-students, the parents of all okay, what has happened? I guess I switched my thing. Y'all are watching a curtain. Sorry. It takes an old lady, right? So let me start again on behalf of everyone. First, I want to thank all the students, ex-students who have come on this beautiful webinar. I'd like to thank the two hosts, Brian and Ashwarya, for making sure that we have had this wonderful Zoom event. You know, I come here today to thank each and every faculty present, but also the ones in the past. From 2008, when we started, each and every faculty has added their efforts, their love, their kindness, and their soul has been added on to this present platform of wonderful human beings that I have. And I'm so proud to lead and so proud to have as my team. And they are the only reason why I can do all that I possibly can. Because sometimes I've been told that I push them really hard. My sister who passed away, who was one of my biggest mentors and my biggest teacher, kept telling me, the way you push your staff, it's surprising they're still smiling at the end of the day. So I am eternally grateful to each and every one of you. And I am going to take this platform and this time to thank each and every one, even though the students have taken their time to have gratitude speeches for all. But this is sincerely from the bottom of my heart. Susan ma'am, I want to thank you for all that you do for the exams, for NAC, for ISO, for the food production department. And most importantly, the way you and Alenka ma'am step in to run the department when I'm away. To Alenka ma'am, all I can say is thank you for keeping my sanity first. And then for the gamut of subjects that you take on, for taking on curating the masses, or mass as we say here, and for always being a compare for every single event. To Nixon sir, again, someone who takes on a whole gamut of subjects, but whose wisdom and sense of calm keeps a certain kind of peace in the otherwise rambunctious staff room. And for that, I'm eternally grateful. To Andre sir, for all the masterful drinks, you have spoilt us completely. There's every single place that we go to now, the drinks fall short. Thank you for your kindness, the epitome of a gentleman, and for empowering the students. For Sanjeet sir, for your constant support of Don Bosco, for your wealth of knowledge, for your eye for detail, and most importantly, for pushing up the benchmark of teaching. To Melroy Chef, for those amazing meals and your unbelievable masterful plating. I absolutely love watching your wizardry in the kitchen and your mentoring of the students. To Prasad Chef, your gentle focus and your constant endeavor to better yourself, to better the students, to push the students, and to make sure there's a very cohesive professional environment in the kitchen. To Meher ma'am, the wealth of experience and the talent that you have brought to this team has been absolutely spectacular. We thank you for all that you bring to it and the pushing again the envelope of the food production department. What can I say about Asana ma'am? Our new mama. We're going to have a new baby in Don Bosco by October. So we wish you every bit of happiness, and we are absolutely grateful for all that you do to make sure that our Indian food is up to spec. To Glenn Chef, who I would call actually our bakery nurturer. He nurtures the entire bakery department with such love, it's his domain. And you almost kind of have to bow before you enter that bakery to make sure that it's all okay with him. I thank you for that, Glenn. To Roma ma'am, my student and now the most professional teacher that I know, who is always and ever ready, no matter what I ask of her, and who has taken on her front office department and running it with such aplomb. To Sampada ma'am, I thank you for bringing a new impetus to the housekeeping department. The fact that you managed to bring a calendaring machine, an industrial size washer and dryer, to all the new SOPs that are now conducted in the housekeeping department, I thank you, and most of all, with such calmness and such ease. To Louina ma'am, we always keep, I guess, you know, you're the youngest and we ask a lot of you, but you have been quietly making your mark. And we are so glad that you have joined the team and you are completely a part of the family. You know, every single day we have issues and trials, but I do know that every single staff member, and I'm so glad to have this team past and present, come with just one very specific vision and mission. And that is the student. It's certainly about Don Bosco and it's certainly about the Institute, but they come with one very specific mission: to make each student a better version of themselves. And I see that with every single staff every time they enter a class, or now on an online class. To all the faculty, you know, I want to thank you. This online, as I would say, business has become quite challenging, but you rose up to the challenge and then some, and I'm very grateful for that. During this pandemic, I've always, even prior to this, I've always been very mindful of what Jasmine and Jerry bring to the table. But let me tell you, during this pandemic, they have been stellar, because we managed to fill our 120 seats and 24 additional seats, all because they came to the college, and with unprecedented SOPs, we have managed to fill those seats. Those students have understood what it is to be in Don Bosco. I am so grateful. Jasmine and Jerry, I absolutely salute you for all the work that you do to make our institute run seamlessly. Yeah, it was tearful to hear about Fakhruddin, and we miss him. Every picture that you see is just heartbreaking. But to the team, the support team, what can I say? Without you, and yes, Rajaram, without you, I don't know how we are going to manage. Thank you for taking such ownership of the college, such ownership of every single item. You know, I know that all the students and the staff have a problem, but without him, we would have run amok because there's so much to keep track of, and he does that. To Vinod, who will go back and forth to the university no matter how many times we send him, always smiling, always making sure that the work gets done, and keeping everybody calm for most part. Ahilia, okay, first things, Ahilia, everyone has lost little bit of weight, not me, everyone else, because they're not eating, the staff is not eating your wonderful food. So Ahilia Maushi, Renuka Maushi and Damyanti, thank you for taking care of the kitchens, for taking care of all of us, and for always making sure that the students are safe, the kitchens are cleaned, and they are sanitized. To Ravi and Velankali, thank you for keeping my second floor completely spotless, and Ravi for always making sure that all the bathrooms, along with all the fans, and climbing up the mango trees for mangoes, climbing up the coconut trees for coconuts and coconut palms. Thank you very much. I want to read a small quote. I know we've had a lot, but this is by our very own Abdul Kalam. Teaching is a very noble profession that shapes the character, caliber, and future of an individual. If the people remember me as a good teacher, that will be the biggest honor for me. I know that each and every student remembers each and every one of you. And with that, I will say thank you to the entire team first who has put this together, to my faculty for all that you do every single day to mold and shape these students and to leave your legacy. To Justin, very specially, because he's taking care of the server to make sure that this event goes seamlessly. And to all those who have in some way or the other made our Don Bosco the premier institute that it is. Staff, I wish each and every one of you a wonderful day. Thank you so much.
Excuse me, ma'am. Before this presentation, before we have this presentation,
okay.
Mera, can I like get a word in?
Yes.
Sorry.
Yes, please. No,
sorry.
Please do.
This is extempore. I'm not ready for this, but there's something that I have to say, and I think I can rightfully say it's on behalf of all our wonderful staff, the A team, the food production department, the F&B department, RDM, support staff, and all of us. Students, we have to remember the lady at the helm of the DBCHS ship. Ma'am, you go out of your way to thank each and everyone personally every single time. It is beyond, I am at a loss of words to tell everyone, especially our first years, how much you mean to us. The reason why we are what we are and the reason we can do what we do here at the DBCHS is only because we have a lady who is so passionate, so motivated, and so inspired that it reflects us through all of us. Be it professionally, through all the challenges that you have to go through in terms of setting up our department in the last 10 years. And we all know the challenges and the obstacles we have faced and we still face, but yet you keep moving ahead with all of us by your side. And yes, through all your personal losses, which we also have been there and we have seen you face it and still facing it and overcoming it, and yet being there every single day at Don Bosco College. There have been times for Spectrum when you have come to college burning high with fever, and the Spectrum night you were on heavy medication and high with fever, and yet you made sure you were there and you were on the grounds and making sure everything ran smoothly, to making sure each of us personally have time with you to share everything that we go through. You've always been at the helm of it, Annabel ma'am. And words fall short, completely short. And being a communication skill teacher, it's a shame if I say words fall short, but it does. So for all the presentations that the students made, and thank you very much to the students, the webinar team, and for making us feel so good about it. I think there's a reason why there was no adjective associated with Annabel ma'am, because we all had our adjectives and so on. But the thing is, they will not find an adjective. You have amazing Annabel and adorable Annabel and articulate Annabel, and I try to think of more, but they all fall short. So Annabel ma'am, on behalf of all the staff, and I'm sorry staff if I've just suddenly stepped into the, this webinar, it wasn't planned at all. But on behalf of all the staff, we want to really, really thank you ma'am for just always being there. Yes, you have always taught us one thing, two words actually, which have always hit hard home with me, and that is it's tough love, right? And that's what's made me a really good teacher, and all of us are learning along the way, and we still have miles to walk. And we just hope that we can always make you proud, and we can always fulfill the dreams of our students through DPCHS. So thank you very much, ma'am, for always being there for us. Thank you very much. And thank you, students and the staff. Thank you very much for just being the family that we have at DPCHS. Thank you.
Thank you, Alenka ma'am. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Alenka ma'am, for stealing my idea of thanking Annabel ma'am at the end.
You can go ahead and do that later.
But yes, we had everyone who got up with gratitude for each and every faculty. But Annabel ma'am, the person that she is, she always forgets herself. And she never mentioned, no, she never even bothered to see that, if anyone's writing down something for her. She just went ahead and told us to write for each and every staff and stuff. But ma'am, I've not written down anything. This is just from my heart. And I personally thank you so much, ma'am, for everything that you've done for us students. May it be sweetly or the other way around. First year's welcome to that. But I remember in the second year when I was slipping off and I was dropping grades, and every faculty that was pissed off at me, and Alenka ma'am actually dragging me to the office. And I still remember everyone just shouted at me, but that one day you told all the faculty who was pissed at me that day to leave the office. And you had this small little talk with me that day, which I still remember. And that's what pulled me out of that phase of life and actually got me to where I was in third year. So thank you, ma'am. And this was not planned, guys. I'm sorry I got my stuff in the middle. But thank you so much, ma'am. And just thank you. All right.
Thank you, Brian.
So before we move on, now we have a few ex-students who are present here on call and would like them to express their gratitude towards our staff. So can I please call upon Miss Neha from 2013 batch?
I don't know whether Neha's been able to make it. If she's not,
I'm right here.
Oh, you're here. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay.
Okay, so good afternoon, everyone. Due to some family emergency, I was late to attend the call, but I have put together something. I hope all of you all will like it. So today is a day that we keep aside to honor the gifted souls that we had in our life, who are our teachers, our wonderful teachers, who make sure that every day they work hard to make us a better person and give us a bright future. So on this beautiful occasion, I would like to take the opportunity to convey my wishes to all my wonderful teachers who have given an impeccable contribution in shaping our future and in making us grow personally and professionally. I am really feeling lucky to have been a part of DBCHS. I would love to thank Annabel ma'am, Susan ma'am, Alenka ma'am, Nixon sir, Andre sir, Clyde sir, Ambika ma'am, Melroy chef, Pratibha ma'am, Vinod Dada, Jasmine ma'am, and Jerry sir. I'm sorry if I've missed out anyone. Sorry for troubling you all a lot, but I know that our batch will always be your favorite. Thank you for those 3 best memorable years of our life. The years full of fun, learning, a lot of retentions, punishments, this fun that we had at Spectrum, lot of ODCs. And I think I'm feeling a short of words right now, but thank you for the best 3 years of our life. Thank you for guiding us, for inspiring us and making us who we are today and what we are today. Thank you so much. And my special thanks to Anvil ma'am. Should I call you ma'am or should I call you mom? I was always confused. But thank you for always being there and for inspiring us and motivating us to be our best. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Neha.
So next up we have Chef Ed Jose, who will be showing his gratitude towards the staff.
Hello guys, can you hear me? Hi.
Yes, yes, we can hear you.
Good afternoon to one and all. First of all, happy Teachers Day to everyone. And okay, now this day is very special for me because today where I'm standing right now, it's all because of you all people. Trust me, in the college, I didn't know anything about kitchen when I started my journey at Don Bosco. But then later, slowly, everyone contributed themselves to nurture me, to mold me to what I am today. I would like to thank everyone personally. Annabelle ma'am, like you have seen me performing to another level and you have seen me dropping to another level. And thank you for always pulling me up because of that. And I would like to thank everyone, Alenka ma'am, Andre sir, Chef Melroy, Chef Susan, Nixon sir, Chef Glenn, Clive sir, Ambika ma'am, Sagar sir, whoever was there during my time, that time, they helped me a lot. And a small message for the students, whenever any faculty member yells at you, trust me, it is for their own good. When you get into their shoes, you get to know why were they yelling. And trust me, right now, I never expected I would also teach someone later in the future, but right now, yes. Trust me, all have the patience level of a saint, okay? You'll have a lot of patience. Thank you for bearing us for that time. And yes, guys, just before taking any decision in life, go and speak to whoever you're comfortable in the college. Trust me, you will get all your answers right there in Don Bosco itself. And yes, that's all from my end. And I am very thankful to each and every one of you all for making me what I am today. And yes, we've had a lot of tough times in college. We had a lot of fun as well. And yes, that was about it. And not forgetting Vinod Bhai and Rajaram and Ravi as well for making our 3 years the epic. Trust me, even for Teachers Day, you need to wish them, because other than them, can someone wind up a kitchen within 15 minutes? Let me know. Without Vinod and Rajaram, it is impossible. So even that speed of me winding up a kitchen is all because of Vinod. So I'm very thankful for that as well. And not forgetting Jasmine ma'am, Jerry sir. Yes, as someone mentioned, no matter what is going on, there's a storm, there's something else, you'll always find Jerry sir smiling all the time. And yes, Jasmine ma'am as well. You have a lot to deal with there sitting at the admin. So yeah, cheers for that. Yeah. And thank you so much, everyone, and happy Teachers Day once again.
Thank you, Ed Jose.
Thank you, Ed Jose.
You're welcome.
And now we have Ray from batch 2016.
A very good afternoon to all of you. Today, on this special occasion of Teachers Day, we are here to celebrate and pay a hearty tribute to our very dear teachers who tirelessly work to ensure that they provide the best education to their students, as we are the nation's future. It would not be wrong to say that teachers are equal to our parents. They teach us selflessly and treat us like their own children. Parents give birth to us, while teachers shape our personality. out of that child, and they constantly try to help a child evolve into a good human being. So students, we should always respect and love them. I know that's hard at sometimes. Teachers are a source of inspiration. They motivate us, nourish us, and also give us the knowledge and strength to prepare us for the obstacles in life. As a student, I cannot thank you enough. Whatever I will say will be less because no amount of words can suffice how much you all mean to me and other students. To all the teachers who have taught me, thank you for guiding me wherever I needed you. To all the teachers present here, thank you for your genuine efforts, patience, positive encouragement. Today I express my heartfelt gratitude to you. Lastly, I would want to end the speech by a quote by Eva Garrison, dedicated to all teachers. A teacher is a compass that activates the magnets of curiosity, knowledge, and wisdom of pupils. There's a Chinese proverb that says, if you are planning for a year, sow rice. If you are planning for a decade, plant trees. And if you are planning for a lifetime, educate people. Friends, education is the passport to our future. And who else but our dear teachers are at the forefront, preparing for us for a better future. Let us all thank them for their tireless work that they do every day for us. Thank you.
Thank you, Ray.
Thank you,
And
Ray.
now we were supposed to have Farooq with us, but due to some personal reasons, Farooq couldn't join us today. But he has sent a message for all you lovely teachers, so I will read that out for you. So, good afternoon to all the teachers and my dear friends. The light of the world in the dark and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teacher. Today we celebrate Teachers' Day, a day kept aside to honor the gifted souls who work every day to make sure that the future is bright for all of us. A teacher is a friend, philosopher, and a guide who instills confidence in young minds, gives them direction, and encourages them to dream. There is no better time to acknowledge this fact and express gratitude to teachers on their very special day, that is Teachers' Day. Would like to thank all my teachers for the hard work that they have put on us, which helps us grow in the right way. Teachers, you are all a guiding force who did not let us fall and did not realize that success and made us realize that success is waiting for us after every failure. So we should not give up in our life. And he would like to end this note on the shloka, and pardon me if I go a little wrong with my pronunciation, but Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasme Shri Guru Ve Namaha. And we thank Farooq for his words. And now,
Thank you, Farooq.
And now we have a video in the moment.
Aditya, this is the thank you.
Well, today afternoon was delightful and it was very emotional. I hope all the teachers felt the love and affection that they deserve on each day. And to conclude this on a sweet note, I would ask Denzel, my classmate, to come up and speak a few words.
Good afternoon, everyone. So, as we are almost at the end of this session, I would like to thank Father Colbert for his blessings and being with us all the time. Thanks to Ma'am Annabelle for being the strongest pillar of the DBCHS family, making the impossible to possible and shaping us to what we are today. To all my dear faculty members, thanking you for guiding us on the right path and helping us whenever necessary. Last, I would like to thank the ex-students, Neha, Edjos, Ray and Farooq for expressing their gratitude and not forgetting Franco for those lovely cakes, and also to the other students for organizing this virtual Teachers Day celebration and made it possible for all of us to show our gratitude towards our dear teachers. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Denzel. I want to thank, before we go on, I know you have thanked everyone. I'm just going to say, all of you who have said your gratitude speeches, our two co-hosts, Brian and Ashwarya, Kunal and Alicia, Jordan Coutinho and Nashon, to all those who have said their gratitude speeches, Rachel, Lisa, Advait, Jordan, Ernest, Inacio, Nia, Nishma, Bradley, Raul. Thank you for all those speeches. To my ex-students, what can I say? Despite all that you all are doing, all your businesses that you all are conducting, you all are still taking the time. Absolutely grateful. And to my team, a very happy Teachers' Day. I wish we were all together so that we could have worn our uniforms for the variety entertainment. And then after that, got a delicious meal made by the third year students. We are missing all of that. And we are missing all of you students. You are the reason for us to be. You are our legacy. With that, I want to thank each one of you. Susan ma'am, Alenka ma'am, Nixon sir, Andre sir, Sanjeet sir, Melroy chef, Prasad chef, Meher ma'am, Sana ma'am, Glenn chef, Roma, Sampada, Luina, Jasmine, Jerry, Rajaram, Vinod, Ahilia, Renuka, Damyanti, Ravi and Belankali. From Father Colbert and myself and the entire team that put this together, have a wonderful evening. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, Justin.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Without Justin, this would not have happened. So thank you, Justin.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Nixon's way of saying bye.
Thank you.
Jerry will come tomorrow.
Thank you, Justin.
Most welcome. Most welcome.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Jerry sir.
Thank you,
Thanks
each
a lot,
and every one of
people.
you.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Amazing
Makes
job.
us feel so good. Fantastic. Cheers.
Thank
Have
you,
a nice
Justin
day.
sir. You too.
Bye.
Dixon sir, let's sit for drinks.
Thank you very
Absolutely.
much, everyone.
Anytime.
That was truly a beautiful Thanksgiving to us teachers. Thank you so much.
Very heartwarming.
Saturday
Very
night.
heartwarming. Thank you, Brian. Thank you, Aishwarya. Thank you, Rachel. Thank you, everyone. Those were beautiful speeches.
God bless you all. Thank
God
you.
bless. Yes.
Hmm. some nice Goa sausages.
What you said?
I was asking lunch chef for some nice Goa sausages.
At least